Hello everyone, welcome back to another grammar lesson with Miss Erika. This time we are focusing on two tenses which are present simple and past simple. Let's compare both of them. Before we discuss further, let's take a look at this table. This is called a timeline. In a timeline, time is divided into three: past, present, and future. Things that already happened, things that are happening now, and things that might happen in the future. Jovanka went to Jakarta last week. Went, verb 2, and last week, an adverb of time that happened in the past. Jovanka goes to Jakarta once a month. Goes, verb 1 plus es, and once a month, an adverb of time that talks about frequency. Jovanka will go to Jakarta next Monday. It means Jovanka is not yet in Jakarta. There is the modal will and also adverb of time next Monday. And today we are going to only discuss two tenses, the simple past and simple present. First, let's discuss about present simple. Present simple is used for talking about habits, routines, and things that are generally true. Habits, for example, I always come to school on time. You see that this is a habit because the writer used always. I go to school every day. Every day is an adverb of time that also talks about frequency. So this is a routine. And then present simple is also used to talk about general facts. For example, the sun rises from the east. Everybody in the world knows that the sun rises from the east, not from the west, not from the north, not from the south. So it's a fact. Plants need water to survive. It's a general fact. Everybody knows that if you don't water a plant, it will eventually die. And then last one, school starts at 7 a.m. It's a fact in our school that it starts at 7 a.m. Since you already know the use of present simple, now let's take a look at the sentence types. Basically, in each tense, there are three types of sentence: positive, negative, and interrogative. Positive. I always come to school on time. Always. So it talks about habit. She always comes to school on time. You add s because the subject is she. And then the negative. I don't always come to school on time. She doesn't always come to school on time. Doesn't, and then followed by come. Verb 1. In negative sentence, you don't use the verb s and es anymore because you already used does in the sentence. Now interrogative or the yes/no question. Do you always come to school on time? You put the auxiliary verb do in the beginning of the sentence and then followed by subject and verb 1. Does she always come to school on time? You put the auxiliary verb does in the beginning of the sentence and followed by the subject and verb 1. So this is the formula. For positive, you put subject followed by verb 1 or verb 1 plus s or es and object and then followed by the adverb of time or place or manner. For a negative sentence, the formula is subject, do or does plus not, and verb 1 without s or es, and then object, and then followed by the adverb. For interrogative, you put the do or does in the beginning, and then followed by the subject, the verb, the object, and adverb. Now let's move on to past simple. You use past simple if you want to talk about completed actions in the past. Example 1. Abby left home to sail solo around the world at the age of 16. Left. That is a verb too. And then how do you know that it happened in the past? Because the writer wrote at the age of 16. The writer told the exact time when Abby left home. And then second example, I didn't come to school on time yesterday. Didn't come. And yesterday is an adverb of time used to talk about things in the past. Now let's take a look at the different sentence types. Positive. I came to school on time yesterday. Came is a verb too. And then negative. I didn't come to school on time yesterday. Didn't come. Didn't and then followed by verb 1, not verb 2. And then for interrogative, did you come to school on time yesterday? Did, and then followed by the subject and come, back again to verb 1. And here it is, the formula for past simple. Positive, subject, verb 2, object, and adverb. And then for a negative sentence, subject did not, verb 1, and then followed by object and adverb. And then for interrogative, you put the auxiliary verb did in the beginning, and then subject, verb 1, object, and adverb. Okay, so that is the end of our video. I hope you learned when to use present simple and when to use past simple and how to use it in 3 sentence types. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. That is all for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.